go. Hey guys, we are Walmart stealth camping tonight and I'm about to make dinner, so that's the situation. So if you're hearing weird radio and cars driving by, we're in the middle of a parking lot. But I'm gonna make pronghorn burgers, so I'm excited. Apparently they're super good. I don't know. Let's get going. Okay. No, you know what? I should probably get another light. Is that better? Probably not. I don't know. We're just doing our best here, okay? It's middle of the night, so I'm not gonna promise great lighting, but we're gonna try. We're gonna try. Okie dokie. How are we all doing tonight, you guys? Good, I hope. Okay. Let's see here. What am I gonna need? Bubbly? We're gonna go with blackberry tonight. That's the bubbly vibe. Gotta love Wally World, you guys. I don't think I've ever cooked in a Walmart parking lot before. This is new for both of us. I feel like I am lit super weird. I did get a little sunburnt this weekend, so I do look a little red, but... Alright, what am I doing, Maria? I'm gonna get out my spices first. Oh crap. I forgot we all made breakfast burritos and I didn't clean the pan. Alright, I'm gonna have to clean that really quick. There's one thing I will not probably ever get better at is cleaning my pans because so tedious. I just don't care. I just don't care. Alright, here we go. Let's get rocking and rolling here. This pronghorn burger might have a little bit of egg on it. We're just gonna have to deal with it. Let me drop this coat. I feel a little toasty. Do you guys like my outfit? I have on a green camo hat, a black tie-dye hoodie, and black camo leggings. Oh man. I am a fashionista. I'm just gonna do salt and pepper, keep it pretty simple tonight. Alright, I'm gonna grab a hand wipe. Okay, baby. I also have absolutely no clue how long to cook this for, so we're really winging it here. 9:53, okay. Should have put on my headlamp. We're right next to a Taco Bell drive-thru, so it's like, you guys want any pronghorn burgers, anybody? No? Okay. Okay. I wonder how long, I'm gonna Google how long aside you should cook pronghorn burgers, because how long to cook pronghorn burgers per side. 5 to 6 minutes aside. Okay, so this is gonna take a while. I can do that. I feel like people are just watching me, but maybe I'm just paranoid, you know? You guys know the drill, gotta clean as you go. Two more minutes till we flip. See, I've got the light going the wrong way. I should have the light going this way. That helps. I just had it the wrong way. Because I am dumb at night. You guys, I miss these cooking videos. I haven't done one in a while. It's kind of my thing. I need you guys to drop suggestions below in the comments of what you want to see me cook, because Bubby, you can't block the light. Lay down, bub. Lay down. Because I want to start cooking like fancy stuff, but I need like ideas. I need someone to tell me to go do it, and then I'll be able to. So let me know what you want to see. Alright, time to flip. You guys, I switched it up on this side and I did garlic salt instead of normal, so it's getting pretty crazy up in here. Alright, 4 minutes. We got pretty lucky where we're at in this Walmart parking lot because we're pretty secluded. I'll show you. Right, bub? Pretty lucky. He's like, woman, why aren't we in the middle of the woods away from everybody? Good question, Blue. I think we're almost done. Here's to pronghorn burgers in the Walmart parking lot. You gotta do what you gotta do. Know what I'm saying? No eating rocks. Come here. Lay down, okay? Pick a spot, lay down. Maybe not right in front of the pan. Okay, well, that's where you want to be. You do you, boo. Time to come off. You know what I really need is like a cast iron pan. That's what I should invest in. Now people are watching me. Nothing to see here, people. Just cooking dinner in a Walmart parking lot with my dog. Roman reckless, it's what we do, people. No need to fret. You guys, you know what I did today? I was driving on the highway and I was like randomly like, I feel like I really want a s'more. I pulled off on the side of the highway and proceeded to open the trunk and make 4 s'mores by myself. I was only planning on making 2, but I made 2 for the drive, and while I was making those 2, I also ate 2. So we're really about health and wellness here, and I just felt like I couldn't keep that secret to myself. So okay, I'm gonna be as see, that light did make a difference. Look how dark it is. I'm gonna be as boring as usual and just do stone ground mustard as the only thing for my pronghorn burger. But you guys know me, you're used to it at this point. Okay. Alright, I've got people watching me, so I'm gonna go eat this in my front seat while we let the pan and stuff cool off, okay? I'm gonna try to get my camera out of here. It freaks me out to think that people see I have expensive stuff with me. So we're gonna switch to the GoPro. We're gonna go eat in the car, okay? Okay. Alright, Bubby, hop up. Good boy. I know I probably look like a foot, but what else is new? Can you lay down? Good boy. Alright, first time ever having pronghorn in my entire life. Nice. Honestly, I can't tell the difference. I can't tell the difference between like that and venison, really. Which Calvin also warned me about, so I feel like that's a fair... Well, no, that does taste different. That does taste different. It's like almost got like a fishy aftertaste. I mean, it's still good. I'd eat it again, but there's like almost like a fishy undertone. Anyways, Blue, I love you so much. I can't feed you my dinner though. I'm trying to get your belly under control. I know. You're so sweet though. Alright, you guys. It's about 1 in the morning, so we're gonna crash. Gotta love late night editing sessions. So you can tell I'm tired. We're gonna crash.